Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making a zero waste natural cream cleaner. If you stick around till the end, you'll see how this works its magic on my dirty sink. This is truly a magical cleaner. So first off, I am adding 1 full cup of bicarbonate of soda to a Kilner jar. You can mix this up in a bowl if you like, or in a jug first. Next I add a 1/4 cup of castile soap. Castile soap's really good for cutting grease, and the two together make a fabulous combination. Next I am adding 2 teaspoons of cooled boiled water. You can add some essential oils to this mixture if you like. I normally do for my bathroom, as I will use it on my tiles and any mould prone areas in the bathroom, so I normally add tea tree as that's antifungal and really good for mould. So I just give it a good mix up while it's still in the jar, and you can see it goes very smooth but thick mixture, so you want it to almost be the consistency of a really thick icing sugar mix. It's hard to explain the kind of mixture, but it's fluffy but smooth and thick. All I do to actually clean is I use an old towel cut into a square, so I always use 100% cotton towels, sheets, anything like that as my cleaning cloths. Damp it and put a bit of the cream cleaner onto the cloth and just work it into the sink. You'll see in a second the difference in my sink. It's not a very good angle here, sorry. I'll just move the camera around. There we go. So you can see the dirt, and this will actually lift all of that dirt from the sink. It works brilliantly on baths, anything really. A lot of the people that have tried this recipe on my Instagram use it on various different things: cooker hobs, the oven, tiles, sinks, baths, trainers, white trainers. It works really well on white trainers. It's really great because you've got the soap in there and you've also got the abrasiveness of the bicarbonate of soda. It works really well at cleaning anything, basically. It's a fabulous cleaner and I wouldn't be without it, and I know a lot of my followers on Instagram feel the same about it. I do call it my magic potion, because it simply is. And my sink is sparkling. It takes a matter of minutes to do and not very much effort at all, which is all good. Thank you for watching. I hope that you liked today's video. If you did, please do give me a thumbs up and comment in the comment box of any videos you would like to see from me in the future, or just say hi. I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel as well, and if you do, please don't forget to tick the bell, and that will notify you of any brand new videos going up on my channel.